What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we're going to be unboxing this Stunt Car double side roll 4x4 all around rotate 360 degrees 2.4 gigahertz radio system cart. So when I was young, I remember my mom got me a remote control cart, but straight from Radio Shack. Radio Shack was popular for having RC cars, and this is just nostalgic for me. So yeah, let's go ahead and unbox it. So we have the remote control cart 2.4. It stops in all directions, 360 rotating, and 7 kilometers per hour. I don't know. I go by miles per hour. So before you watch this video, I want you to take a wild guess what color the remote cart is gonna be. Well, I mean, you're gonna probably watch it all the way, but either way, feel free to comment down what color it will be. I'm gonna take a wild guess. I'm gonna say it's green. Green like the Green Goblin. Alright, so it here it comes. It is green. Awesome. So you're gonna get the box itself. There you go. So we'll put that aside. You're gonna get instructions, use of instructions, battery operated product. So you'll get your specific instructions on how to set it up in many different languages. Either way, battery safety information. Yeah, don't recharge on non-rechargeable batteries, etc. The usual. They don't want you to mix it up. You do get a USB charging and a flathead or a star. Yeah, it looks like a. Let's go ahead and open that up real quick while we get that. So yeah, it looks. I mean, it's authentic. So I'm guessing this is for the battery charger. Oh, sorry. There you go. This is for the battery charger when you are charging it. And then you get a 4-star. Or actually a star. Yeah. Can't see it, but let me try to adjust it to the camera. There you go. Yeah, there you go. It's a 4. So we'll put that aside. You do get a remote control cart. It has yeah, it's pretty cool. So it has like, you can't go sideways, but you can go up. I guess you use this to control. I think that's kind of easier. I remember the one I had from Radio Shack was big and bulky. It only had this and it had a left and right. So actually I like this. And of course here are the batteries. So let me take that out real quick so that we can give you guys a preview. Okay. And then you unclip it here. And the batteries are included. So it does come with battery. That's kind of cool. You don't have to worry about going out in the middle of the night. I mean, the worst thing you can do is you buy a toy and then it doesn't come with batteries. I mean, that's almost like a cash grab. But I mean, usually, I'm guessing nowadays toys don't really use that method. They just make you buy it. So yeah, and it turns on. It's apparently signaling. And then we move on to the toy itself, which is cool. So yeah, pretty awesome. 360 degrees. We'll mess with it right now. I just want to see if we're. Oh, here's the on button. Oh, sweet. So here's the on button, not to be confused with anything. And I'm guessing right here, that's where the charger is. So we're gonna go ahead and take that out real quick. So I mean, it may be affordable, but there's like a lot of things that you have to go through. I don't want to lose this. But I mean, it's kind of worth it. I mean, and here's a rechargeable battery pack. So here it is. And I think you simply just remove this. Be careful. Don't try to pull it out. Oof. Okay, this is a long battery. All right. So yeah, this is the rechargeable battery. You simply take this and you plug it into here. Make sure it has, yeah, it's bottom. Make sure it's in the bottom. Once it clips on, you charge the battery and you're on your way. So I don't think it matters what wattage you have. It does have the wattage information. Oh, it has input 5 volts, output 3.6. So a standard, the standard. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, there it is. 5 volts, input 3.6. So it could be a standard. It doesn't have to be like an overcharge. You don't want to overburn the battery. But I've always had that problem with basically batteries being too much. So, but we're gonna go ahead and put this back over here, and back in here. Just be careful when you put it. Make sure it's sitting on the bottom side, and then we'll go from there. Of course, make sure it clicks. Once it clicks, you're set to go. Make sure you put the battery safe where it's not scraping the battery itself. Let me move it a little bit. Yeah, I feel like it's sitting on the wrong side. Yeah. And I'll move this little thing back here. And there you go. Okay. So we'll put it back. Yeah, like I said, you may need to charge this multiple times, but it's the small details that kind of like, it might be time consuming. Nowadays we're just ready to go and, like, oh, I just want to play with the toy, and it's a simple matter. But I mean, I'm actually having a hard time putting this in. Let's see. Okay, slide that in. Oh, okay, that's why it's not going inside. The ergonomic of this car is really difficult. Okay, we'll put this down. Actually, this will be better. Sorry, guys. I'm almost there. Unless one of the things popped off. I don't think so. Okay, there you go. I should adjust to it. And pop it down. There you go. So it is kind of difficult to put it in. Of course, let's put back the little screw. Here we are. Make sure you bolt it down. Let's go ahead and give it a shot. So we'll go ahead and turn it on. I don't have a lot of room here, but I will show you like a little bit of it. Alrighty. Once this is on, you'll know that the lights both are on. So that means it's on. Of course, we'll click here. And it should connect. Alright. Sweet. So I'm going to go ahead and try it. Give it a little thing. So I'm going up and down. Hopefully it doesn't knock my camera down. Yeah, this is nostalgic. I know it'll go faster, but it has a lot of force onto it too. So it can't, technically it can't. Oh, it fell. But it's still going. Well, you can't really see it, but yeah, it did fall off the table, but it's still going. I love it. You can hear it around stuff. Let me bring it back to my space. Let me get it real quick. And that says a lot. That says a lot. That once it falls off, I think the biggest support is this right here. That it has a grip. That plays a big part. So let me just get all this dusty stuff off of it. Overall, this is an awesome thing. If you're in the shop and you don't know what to get someone, I think people will have fun using this car right here. It has rubber grips. All this is plastic, but it looks like it's pretty durable. I would recommend this if it's a small. I think this was like $20 or below. It's totally worth it. I mean, like I said, if you don't know what to get someone, make sure you turn off everything once you are done with it. Where is it? How do you know when it's off? When the lights are off. So yeah, guys, once again, this is the Stunt Car double side roller. So I would recommend it. I like it. This is like something that, whenever you want to kill time or you just want to have fun, or I don't know how far the range is, but it looks like 2.4 gigahertz. So yeah, I'm going to say, 2.4. So it can't be that far. So I'm going to say from here to 2.4 gigahertz. If you don't know what gigahertz is, that's almost the same way of using the Wi-Fi, basically. So that's pretty good. Not bad. I mean, it's not like you're gonna like send it off where you can't see it. So other than that, guys, thank you for watching this side stroller. I know it's kind of long, but at least you get to know it. And if you're ever interested in buying one of these, I definitely recommend it. I'll see you next time.